ekiombe kia barimu ya Kuppet bagikeirie egekore ekyo na otabuna ati bagokire no bongora bwo gokora obotuki kobwatikana na egekore ekyo na kugania ensemo y'oburendi kwangoya obotuki bwa bwango nabo igokwendekeria abarimu oburendi boisaino muri keito job mangi korase county ya Nyamira no roboti urwaso bwime
Maega yogosira kwa mworokia omonene bwe skuru ya Rangenyo Lydia Onyoni asenchera yobotutukano nigo ekiombe gekwegerera obwene bwa borokia Kuppet kyagikeirie eng'anejo George Morara oyore omonyakero bo Kuppet asorosagia Nyamira nateba munambago kiri asenchera obotuki bogendererete
buna barayi babalimu bekiombe getu gya Kuppet ntole no bororo bonene goetera enchera obotuki bogendete gokorwa asencherere ng'ora mono ntoko chiwanchirana koikoba Nyamira gosikoligereria obotuki botai gokorwa asobwango na bono twata koro mu county commissioner tutagete kumweresa egero obotuki obokorwa asenchera ya bwango
omoriki bwe kiombe kyo Lewis Nyakweba nateba buna sokorora kwabo nigo omoro kyoyu abetega goitwa.
We were able to attend the post-mortem yesterday, and we rule out several other theories, and we want to confirm that as much as we are not doctors, Madam was killed, Madam was murdered. And since then, we want to say that we are not satisfied with the speed at which the security team is moving on.
Mbasa bobotuki kwangoigwa elinde komanya ninki keirerete ogosira kwobogima bwaye
ne tugende ko yamanyanga kiale tole miguchi ngoro chaito Madam gago buna atimoke na ntwe chingoro chaito chitimogete tumanyete buno bomaene bwarigerigwe na ndo manye bwamanyiru na bali bakorege nteke bairerwe sheria yabekiru ime na basibwa igo turarore buye byara muntu ndu bwensi tawene tugoitwa.
We want to demand seriously that the culprits must be brought to book. We want to know who killed Madam, why they killed her, and what they wanted.
It's kind of disappointed because one or two names have been mentioned within the security of Rangenyo girls. And for sure, the security of Rangenyo girls, without saying who and who, should be able to be the first people to say this.
Mbasaba eserekali kobekera aborokia oborendi bwaigoro elinde batwale chinga kichinyororo asemerimo yabo.
No ene kunyalekana mu county commissioner atuma baskali balenda abana balende abalimu kere bagende tukorokereria abana egero ndi bwensi okwanira asiginteke ale ntugati aboli wa maswali erese na kiamanyete gose goikeranga kibarenge na Madam omwelio na kiamanyete ekina kyo ekerenge kanene une union buna barayi babalimu county ya Nyamira togoboria serikali ya Nyamira county ne serikali yenene eligererie
korwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.